Myntri katanat kakoi ke kya uba wailat miki shula hak arpau trik jemang ula sam da tiar aijingsumar ki bakongsan shaki jaka aijingsumar hakeling ke West Jaintia Hills kintup shaki sub center PHC CHC but civil hospital. Myntri ula IT ru ekitiar ban pet benya ya ka jingroy jengki khina shaki katu ka niki anganwadi center ki balajit ki bahap pot lasken but amdaram ICDS center haringkat kitiar ya lek kai ki batmu ban kin tiawi ka jingroy jongki khna habaro kilyang ya kini kitiar lathit ingba ka jingara pisa na ka Power Finance Corporation Limited hapo jong ka CRS ha ka jinglot ka bakat Sunpoint praklor tingka ya ka ni ka sen jam lala ban pun urlong lingba ka jingtre shitom jong Deputy Commissioner ka District u Abhinav Kumar Singh haringka Myntri u Badeiru u MLA ka Juwai constituency.
Because it is always our endeavor to see that the help and support should reach the remotest, the most difficult and challenging part of our rural areas. I'm quite sure with this equipment, it will really help our sub-centers, PHCs, CHCs in order to give the quality healthcare from the Power Finance Corporation Limited who are here today. At the very outset, I must thank the Deputy Commissioner of our district. No doubt we have been discussing quite a number of times that how we can really do something, especially for health and the growth of our children. During the discussion, I told him that you please go ahead, find the means and ways that how we can bring more fund where we can really contribute and do something especially for our rural areas. Lain nado ipor odang ha lene yiwang nado ipor odang pun hadin dauman hi kena kiwa ngat hag kujut nei daw yang the UP Chief Minister that launch yang 1,000-day ketika program nei bentang pai yang ketika kaman uye wanra yang ketika rukom bam rukom di ko biang kam tam ikna la da pai di yang ikon iki la da compare ya ikna iwakha hapo Meghalaya compare với cái ikna iwakha hapo Haryana hapo Punjab la ne hapo South India ijo erta la chini mar sansen phi pai won ka jing jrong ka jing kamai ka jing he thì cái môn mà lại là cái này gọi lại cho bà liệu cả state Meghalaya là đã thấy sula thì này tai vào đây là đâu bị ban bị này tụi nó cần cái sula yêu con nó của sáng sớm là đi đâu sáng sớm thì đi học bên cái chỗ này bài lẽ của tôi ý cái cái con ba con đi dùng ý nó man cái con man nutritious.
Such collective efforts and proper coordination, we have been able to bring this particular idea which was there yet in the inception stage into life. I'm also thankful to the Power Finance Corporation for extending their financial contributions under the social contribution that they are intended to do, by which we have been able to deliver for the health services. And I'm looking forward in the near future wherein such more contribution can be given to us and we will take it forward for ensuring that the healthcare system are reached to the last mile connectivity. And also, I would like to bring it to light that all the activities which are there with regard to the ICCS department have been undertaken in the CM Catalytic Fund. This fund was intended for us to make sure that all the services which the people are intended, which the benefit committee should serve, all the distinguished officers, the staff, the representatives from ICDS, from social welfare and from health department, a very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, a very good performance that has been we have all witnessed just now. And I would also like to give you a brief that amongst many initiatives which have been taken within this district, how the inception of this particular also comes up. Like multiple interactions that we have had, like health, nutrition have been one of the key areas which are very close to heart of her, who has been trying tirelessly to make sure that there are changes which happens on the ground. And under his vision, under his leadership, and he has always given a free hand to us to make sure that whatever public service delivery we are supposed to do, we are able to do it in the most effective and efficient manner. So this is one of the, maybe the shining examples and many more which would be coming in due course of time.
I would like to express my gratitude and a heartfelt appreciation on behalf of the district hospital, CHC, PHCs, and sub-centers to our Honorable Health Minister, so Wailat Mikishila, the Minister to the Government of Meghalaya in charge of Health and Family Welfare Department for his initiative in providing us with these valuable medical equipment under the scheme of Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative. It may be noteworthy to inform everyone that this is the first time in the history of West Jaintia Hills District to have such occasion where we can get all the medical equipment through this Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative.